Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS brakes. This beautiful twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected sport bike came to us with only 5,700 miles. It's got some really cool features on it, including the zero-gravity windscreen, smoked, an awesome sounding Yoshimura exhaust system. This bike is in beautiful condition. Metallic red and black. It's got the Yoshimura rear tail fender eliminator kit. Price to sell just $59.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.